Hello everybody and welcome to another mystery box function challenge. In the purple mystery box there is some math and your challenge is to figure out what it is. You can use the link in the description if you want to try this out on your own, and when you've got an idea, come on back and see if we get the same thing. All right, let's start with a 0. So 0 gives us -1. How about a 1? Oh wow. So that's probably also a -1, just with a little bit of rounding error thrown in there. So for some reason it's doing some calculating to get there. Let's try a 2. We're getting the same thing. Let's try a -1. Some rounding error there as well, just in the other direction. I guess we need to try some points in between to see if we can figure out what's going on. So let's put in 1/2. Oh, wow. Okay, that is an extremely, extremely large number. So basically we can think of 1/2 as infinity, I think, in this case. I had a hunch when I saw the rounding error that we might have one of these trig functions going on with a multiplier inside. So that's what I'm thinking about. We saw something like this with, I think we had the sine of pi x. If you multiply by pi, then every integer that you put in is a multiple of pi. And for the sine, at pi, you're going to start out at 0, and it would just keep repeating 0. Maybe we've subtracted 1, so maybe this is the sine of pi x, or -1. That could be. Let's look at some more points in between. Let's look at 1/4. Okay, let's look at -1/4. Let's look at -1/8. And 1/8. Okay, so you can kind of see the shape here. It's very compressed, I think, because of that multiplier, and this is definitely not sine. I should have known that because at 1/2 we're getting infinity, and sine never goes to infinity. The tangent does. To me, this looks like the tangent. So it's down on the left, up on the right. It's got an asymptote in between. If we go over a little bit, let's go to 3/4. Let's go to 7/8. Yeah, and let's go to 9/8. Yeah, we're going to get these repeated arms of the tangent function. So I think what we've got here is the tangent of pi x. And then because at 0 we get a -1, that tells me we've moved the whole thing down by 1. So I think that's what we've got. I'm going to go ahead and look. Yeah, the tangent of pi x -1. Let's graph that. Whew, look at all those tangent arms. Oh my goodness. Well, how did that go for you? Were you thinking tangent? Let me know. Thanks, everybody.